Yeah, Bunny here, people. Well going. So, if you enjoyed the content that we put up here on BLA Productions, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications for whenever I upload a video to the channel. Of course, thanks again for all the support that you all have been giving us, and please do enjoy the video.
I never said that. But take what is rightfully yours before somebody else take it. I'm a body, yo. Everybody cuss if you're a woman, you know. I'm a Jean, why you think me not sleep with you at night time? Now your house empty.
Did I tell you that my daughter was here?
No.
Yes, she come here and bring her invitation for your family reunion.
I don't think I say your daughter no.
That was then, this is now.
Then go on and ask man a family come.
I go in the family reunion this weekend and I watch it.
Watch it? No, we come let it on go down a hospital. No, come tell me talk to you need for go slow man. I want life me to believe you. I want life. I want life you believe when you're sure now act like it. I want me have to and me a ball person knows the life can throw some wicked curveball. And if I don't know if I play the game, I turn it in a fool. Nobody put up a gun, man. Without them good intention, that's who you have talk still. Exactly, take time to talk. The system not ain't nobody. Nobody in the body now. And the system, society of God. Exactly. That's why we have to play the game our way and make the thing work. Yo, picture yourself, man. Easy yourself. Just take time and talk. Listen, let me tell you what me have. Take time to talk now. You see, if I'm a Gene of the money and we can't get to she, we get to the next best thing to her. Oh, yeah, talk Shebada? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, man. Take time to talk now. That's how much you know what a boy like to have. Take time to talk. Shebada, you tell what you know what I'm Shebada. But now I come back to you, man. And I cannot whisper. Take it up, we're talking here, so never go out that door. Never go outside, but I can't come on. Just take time to talk. Yeah, but I don't like talk to her. Just take time to talk. You make some more Archie come out here. Yeah, what you say? Alright, fine. Can we come here, see no bring straw? I know she a bring straw. Baba, take time to talk. Alright, now I'll come this on. You talk, me go. You might know. Talk, man. Yeah. I will search room. Talk to Baba. Talk to Baba. What do you want? Alright. I'm serious. Can I joke to you in the pan? I want to find the money in our room. Yeah. So where you think so the money then? I'm a Gene room. Yeah. Tell me how it's out. Yeah. I room that we need for my Yeah. Think you don't have me yet. We're not fool. No one always stay in the room door always. Look at me that you're going without the plan. They are tricky. Not trick me, Pinky. Me try. We have to get to the room one way or the other. So you get the armor and me get the chicken. Come on. Alright, no problem. I'm right behind of you. Right behind of you.
What the DEM? Bobby must carry a cocktail and put still come get them and put a bright in. Eh? We don't want a cocktail and put still and come get it to yourself. We don't tired. We don't want Archie in. Can you imagine? Look all we me do for you, Archibald Wilson. When your wife suck out your ear and take everything where you got and me you call you now. We come help you. Hey, you come tell me about me must carry cocktail and still beer and still girl. You want it you and then come get it to yourself. Right man. Go tired.
The cocktail. From man, God almighty man. I said, look, about to drink for the girl when I set up people. You know some fees that you're reaching when I pass you.
Say anything you want to say about the Archibald.
I don't know why I'm going to drink my blast itself.
That is what you should do, Archibald. Look about them, you blast itself.
Excuse you?
Excuse you. I will excuse myself from this place and from you, Archibald.
What's the matter with you?
You don't know what, bro? Since the two pissing tail girl them come upstairs, you are disrespectful.
Where you going like you me care in front of the pastor? I'm married to you, have?
No, you never carry me. You carry my friend, but where's she there?
Don't bring Maggie into this.
What, Maggie more than
Do
me?
not bring my wife into this now.
She more than me? I go like she more than me.
Maggie is a lady over a girl. 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 Maggie is a lady
show off yourself, Archibald. Come here, go
Maggie never dash on the belly though.
So that you have me and that you have me Archibald, listen, well, let me tell you something. This is my body. And I choose to do what I want to do with it. And I decided that I wasn't going to carry a child for a married man. But you're going to beat me? You're going to kill me? Let alone. I couldn't do that to Maggie.
Well, let me tell you something, Miss Dash your belly. Any woman dash your belly for any man. Whether that man be single man, married man, or batty man. That should be condemned. Oh.
So I don't know mongrel them what you have upstairs, eh?
My two mongrel them? Let me tell you something about my two mongrel them. Every who are them take a bush. Is them two over there? Me I take. Every plug got their socket. See them two socket there? I am the plug.
And all of a sudden Archibald will come around with my plug and my socket, eh?
Your plug and your socket burn long blasted time.
Go and show off yourself, Archibald.
Sure.
Go and show off yourself. Anything was sweet, none of it go around in belly. Oh, come take this from me.
I don't want to fire.
Me not getting on the other I left it here.
When she coming?
In a week.
Oh.
Archie, why you do this to me?
Oh, you must be. We can't.
Archibald used to be me.
Yes, but the girl, my way for it.
Archibald made the girl them damn well and wait. Archibald, I need to talk to you.
But we can't talk now.
Archibald, what happened? You remember this, Archie?
Come, girl, let me comb your ear. But are the excitement, so no, girl, the ear want look at grease, look at something. Rub like lotion in there. Oh. We can't go catch a man, so. You look here. I don't hear them, I watch them, I burn up body.
I say, ladies, it's pure excitement out the door. But between the excitement, when it comes to you two girls, they are double happy. Come and bust us.
My battery dead.
I can't charge back your battery right now. Come and charge for your own first.
Don't touch me now. My wings them clip. Right now I feel like a big flip-flop. I promise you.
Flip-flop, what kind of style that?
Now that must say.
Remember your flip.
You deaf? And I hear she start flapping.
Flap.
Pinky go to go find this drunk in the arms of the husband.
Who, me?
One piece of road up them in, two juking in your eye.
Joking.
Remember, ready for like about the old fire thing.
I imagine that?
Exactly.
No, man, I imagine come like so only. She don't know when to let go.
Really,
But
Archie?
you know the angle Archie you need to let go.
No, me nigga long time. She don't realize that there's no love between me and she, there's between me and Uno.
You know, she come like to make that old girl around this place, Archie.
No, nothing like that. The only reason why I imagine to cover this place is because a peer man come here, she know what demand them, so she do demand them first.
Then we don't know about man. We don't know about man, Archie. Anything I imagine know yesterday, not today. She better put her Brad Pitt them to sleep. I want to you know, they are upset me fast. You need to take us slowly. They are upset me, Archie. Stop it.
What a lucky thing say me a die for me here. Cause them a grey hair cock out in the much of me out here. Who don't respect all people? Huh?
No, Archie, what I imagine does enough up in everything, so. She come like over-salted food, strong present. I agree.
No, Imogen is a very good business partner. One that I can trust.
She not trust we. That's who hell going in trust.
What is mad penny, man? You crazy or something?
You soon with me, man.
In every business you have somebody you can trust. Like you told a business partner. Only can't trust no one either. Well, when it comes to Imogen, I don't have to question it. Imogen got a bank, I did him and bank my money, I don't just send for yourself, yeah? That is trust.
And all of that, and you know, married to her? Why am I an idiot? If I didn't mean me, I wear a ring on my finger, and I push on a big fancy car like you. She's a real idiot.
That's why it's not you. How much you don't love me for my money? How much you love me for who I am? Oh.
Yeah, so tell me how much you know all about it looks so. You get how much you know work for free?
No, I don't like that. My imagine used to do one time, you know.
So
but she messed up big time. All she want to know is some young boy. So she take the young boy, them and me take the young girl, them. One thing though, you see when the imagine around that place, yeah? I'm a daughter.
You know what?
I have a nice daughter.
Even the imagine around this place, your daughter?
Yes.
So we not count. We not count.
When by you no count?
We not count. We not count.
When by you no count?
They talk what you mean, big man.
Yeah, talk what you mean and talk quick.
We say talk what you mean.
After me don't know that much. Me tell you know better.
No, we better, Archie. What better you want to know about we? When you see a name from people, you don't know you're afraid of pies. So you say you upset me and you need to see you're upset me. Bad.
You not take a damn joke too far. You are two wonderful girls, alright?
Yeah,
especially you.
No, come over here.
You're sort of mad, but you're nice. But me just can't just take my place and go, sir. No, because, just, how long what you eat now?
When they did that jump the crystal, they never know say I move fast, Archie. You never know.
So what I must just take my place, give him goodness. But it's not easy. You know, sure. You could be criminal.
What do you hear what I said?
What do you
Archie, what you just say a while ago? Baba, don't bring any bag. Don't take out, no time bag. Don't
I don't mean, I don't. You come and put food in my mouth.
You think a foot alone are going to go in your mouth, Archie?
Make we change the subject here. Did I tell you that my daughter was here?
No.
Yes, she come here and bring her invitation for a family reunion.
I don't think you say your daughter no.
That was then, this is now.
Let's go on the arch, man, a family come.
I go in the family reunion this weekend and I watch it.
Watch it? Baba, me eat a
come?
No. Where you get for drink?
I'm not getting a drink.
I eat a earth, where you get for?
I'm not put it back.
No, but I eat.
But I'm not pull it, see the pull. He's not pregnant, you're pregnant.
Pregnant? Most of us can't breathe nobody. Listen on here. Pinky.
Almighty Baba.
I know, at time for back and left, you say, you know. Ashton food and drink is all. A big money time now.
As if it's certain that I'm a gene of the money, Jesus. You know, say all of this are your fault.
What me do?
All of this are your fault. Me tell you, no violence. Couldn't not string a little man and watch about you, the jump yourself, got stage robbery, now we corner dark.
This what I'm to you. I scared me, did I try to scare the man?
I scared that, try to scare the man.
No, I didn't even know so the man ever gonna hide. Furthermore, them tired from beating some of them, don't like them something, them man. I come catch you man, tear up the girl and beat her, and have a ball and a motor. You say you Pinky, you're a little freak, and I little freak, something, I little freak, you.
Yes, Baba.
Watch you.
Me's a freak, so what? If man want to tie you up and beat you, take care of your job.
I don't like it.
No a murder. No money and police are look for you. See, Archie Maga, watch you get the big picture like a mess.
And Miami are my destination, you know.
And Miami are your destination. You start sound like a scratch record, God know. Yeah, you're the man say him now let off the book them without the money.
Pinky a fool that take me for you know.
Mama no.
We don't want the idiot chatting a fool that take me for man. Who come here suffer?
You don't see me look like hell I go broke loose in your barber. So why man go find out what we are watching?
Find out about we? Find out about you! Anybody know me as Baba Lisa?
Sorry, take your tour.
The life of a drug mule not easy. I mean, I'll go back this talk. It's getting easy for me. When me a swallow them somebody, and I travel back and forth from Miami to Jamaica. They are never for the one and then somebody never put the stuff. We give me no go back this talk. I'm gonna plan for stay so long and either. Oh, I don't know what you would have planned.
What a plan?
You remember the other day? You tell me about the Shebada something?
I don't think that's a good idea, you know.
Yeah,
I didn't think when I said that is not a good idea.
The boy a puppet. Until we tell the boy for the boy we do it, man.
Yeah, Baba, I'm a puppet. Puppet for emoji, I love my puppet for we.
We going to stop it, man.
Up to the
What do
girl.
you tell me you talk about something serious, you're joking. Don't laugh, man. What do you, man? Sure. I do that, man. I'm serious something you talk about, man. Look for who come here for Pinky. Who come here for the money?
Oh, sir.
And look how long with it. All you do, man, the man walk out, man. But I mean, I get money.
All right, Baba, fine. We're going to friend Shebada and stick him up and go into the room and nobody now go see we.
Time is money and time with the power side that me a talk about.
We have too much plans and scheme and them now work. Why we not just stick up a room, a place and run away?
No, stick up what? If you get happen to it and watch it, we don't eat that again. You come back when you eat that again. Sure.
I don't know if you tell us right now, you know.
Furthermore, on the last bullet me used to kill the pit bull.
And them some I'm talking to you about and you see what we are going to deal with now.
So you laugh at?
You see what we have it. No,
And the one I imagine come like a tug man to my jump way.
Jump way?
Yeah.
No, Baba, no jump way. You mean jump you?
Oh, yeah.
Gangsta girl, me love me gangsta guy.